Hello guys, my name is Dennis, thanks for coming to my channel. Today I'm going to check again the FSD beta version 11.4.4 in Brooklyn, New York. And today it's going to be a little bit different video. I'm going to try to not touch nothing. Maybe I will do something if it's going to be really emergency. If I'll have to really press accelerator or disengage, but otherwise I will try to wait. And see what's the beta gonna do, and it's gonna be really interesting route. Here is gonna be all the streets. Let's go. I'm gonna add the camera here, and yeah, I'm sorry, my screen is dirty. Let me try a little bit clean it, just a little bit, because I see the fingerprints there. Whatever, I think we're good like this. Alright guys, let me double tap here and we'll be ready to go. And let's see, like I told you, I'm gonna try to not touch as much as possible. And over here I see in front of me the car facing me, but the beta doing great here, no struggling, it didn't scared. And over here on this light, beta gonna turn right. Okay, now it's a green light and we start moving forward and perfectly turn here right. And you will see I'm gonna try to not touch wheel also as much as possible. And if it's gonna ask me to apply pressure on the wheel, I'm just gonna use my volume scroll over here to show the better that I pay attention. And over here we're gonna turn left. And my foot not on the pedals. I'm always ready to press the brake or to press accelerator, but like I told you in this video, I will try to not touch nothing as much as I can. And right away, ride the cars. Just move the better, move it with the cars. Very good. Alright, so now I see the green light, which, okay, it's asking me to apply some pressure. I use my sound scroll wheel. Let's see how the beta gonna be able to turn here. Okay, we should start moving right now. You should start. Okay, I see the pedestrian, that's why I didn't move. But that's alright, I'm gonna wait here. It's no problem for now. Better you can start moving a little bit forward. No, we're still waiting here. Let's see what's the beta gonna do. Okay, after that car, the beta should start moving. Okay, and it start moving a little bit slowly. I mean, but still the beta did the job. I would do much faster. I would already press accelerator, but you know, I tell you in the beginning of the video that I'm gonna try not to touch nothing as much as possible. And let's see what's the beta gonna do here. It's past the bus. Okay, very good. I see they double parked. That's why I was a little bit scared that the bus gonna go on my lane. But no, we did great here. And the beta wants to move to the other lane. I think it's not the good decision now, but anyway, we'll see. Guys, I don't know if the beta see there. There was the double parking there. And in the 0.2 miles, we're gonna turn right on Quentin Road. Okay, and we start moving. It asks me to apply some pressure. I use my sound scroll wheel, and it wants to move here to that lane. I mean, maybe that's good. I don't know. and I see their pedestrian open door. The beta did great here. It's moving to the right side, and let's see how the beta gonna pass that car. I don't know. The guy turned on the. I don't know what the guy is gonna do. But anyway, let's see if the beta gonna figure out that this guy is just staying. I have time. I mean, I'm not gonna touch nothing. I'm gonna try to not touch nothing. This is the situation, the real situation on the road. You see, that car just stopped. It turned on the reverse, and I don't know. I don't think that the beta gonna be able to perform here. And yeah, we just stuck here. At this point, I gotta disengage the beta, and I disengage the beta, and I'm gonna pass that car by myself. Because you see, guys, we're just staying there, and I mean, I just have to disengage. Otherwise, the beta didn't go anywhere. And now here on the Quentin Road, the beta gonna turn right. And you see, in that kind of situation, the real life situation, I mean, the beta kind of not ready for the real full self driving. Because I heard some, I mean, I see the tweet that it says week 12, it's gonna be no beta. I'm not sure it's gonna happen, but because you see here, the car just parked. Let's say the park is double parked, and we just stop. We just stop for nothing. The beta didn't want to pass that car, but the beta see that the cars on the left side, they're passing us. That means the traffic is doing great, but the beta decided just to stay. All right, and now the beta gonna turn right here. That's no problem. And we're gonna stop for the traffic lights. Alright, so now it's a green light, and we're moving forward, very good. And in the 0.4 miles, I'm gonna turn on Nostrand Avenue. And again, it's asking to apply some pressure. I did that, and there was a little bit harsh stop for the red light, but that's alright. Anyway, better stop, and that's the good thing. Alright, so now it's a green light, and we start moving forward, very good. A little bit slowing down, I don't know why, but anyway, nothing crazy. And we stop again for the traffic light. Alright, green light, and the beta start moving forward, very good. And over here it's a... Wow, I didn't press nothing, the beta stopped by itself, but I was really ready to press the brake this time, and for some reason the beta really slow here. The beta almost missed the stop sign, almost, but no. And I was really ready to press the brake pedal at that time. Alright, and we should go straight. That car let us go. I mean, the beta is kind of super slow here. I don't know why. Okay, yeah. I know, you want to go fast. I know. But, you see, the beta is doing a little bit slow here in the stop sign. Let's see if the beta gonna stay close here to the left side. Okay, very nice. The beta close to the left side, and we should turn left here, and then I think we're gonna turn right. No, we're gonna turn right on Avenue P. Okay, very nice. Okay, green light. We should start moving forward. I don't know why the beta just stuck. Guys, I'm gonna just press a little bit accelerator, because I don't know why the beta stuck, really. I'm not understand. There was the green light. The beta see that it's green light, but the beta stuck there. Let's see. Okay. And you see in that route there was the one disengagement, and I don't know why the beta slowing down here. There was one disengagement because the beta stuck, because there was the double parked, and once again the beta just stopped on the green lights, and the beta didn't want to move anywhere. Not that great. And it's really not that busy area here right now. I mean, just a regular area that the beta should do perfect here, but still no. Okay, and we're turning here right. Very good. Okay, and it's a stop sign. Stop always sign. Okay, very nice. The beta stopped perfectly. Let's see how it's gonna proceed forward, if it's gonna be slowing down here. Again, I don't know why, but I don't know why the beta stop here. Again, it's show me the creep limit for the no reason. I'm gonna press accelerator a little bit because I see the cars there. It's not supposed to be like that. I don't know what was problem with the stop always signs. Uh-oh. No, the beta good. The beta didn't scared of that guy. Once again, the stop sign. Stop always sign. I pressed accelerator twice already in the truth. I know I was telling that I'm going to try to not touch nothing, but you see this one? No problem. Perfect. I'm not really sure. I'm not really understand why the beta doing that. Simple situations and the beta stuck. And the beta stop. I don't know, the beta thinking a lot. It's not cool. It's not supposed to be like that. Okay, green light, and the beta start moving forward. Very good. I don't know why the beta is slowing down. Harsh here. I don't know if it's top all way here or no. No, it's not. Because I'm not familiar with this area. Alright, so now it's a stop all way again. Okay, that car should go, and after that car we should proceed. Okay, very good. Very nice. This time, very good. Alright, so it says stopping for stop sign. We're gonna stop again here. Okay, very nice. And we should proceed forward with no problem. Okay, perfect. Okay, and another stop always sign. We stopped, and it's asking to apply some pressure. And we're proceeding forward perfectly. And now here in this light, I'm gonna turn right. Let's see how the beta gonna perform that. Okay, it's a green arrow. The beta should go. Okay, let me wait. Anyway, I don't know if that guy is turning or no. No, that guy is not turning. I have time. I could wait, but it's not great. The beta didn't see that the arrow. You see, guys, the beta didn't see that green arrow, and it's not great, really. It's a simple things that the beta should see already, like with no problem. Alright, guys, and this is my location. I'm here. I'm gonna disengage the beta because this is my location, and thank you so much for watching. You see that the beta is not ready for kind of simple situations here. You see, in the last turn, the better didn't see the green arrow. Everything was visible, everything's nice, no rain, nothing. But for some reason, the better didn't see that. The better stuck just in front of the car because the guy decided it's a double parked car and the better just stopped and that's it and didn't move anywhere. The better did few things on the stop all-way signs, the strange things, but anyway. Anyway, it's not ready. Let me know what you think in the comments. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and I'm gonna post next video soon. Thank you. Bye guys. Bye.